Hello everyone, welcome to Ekip's Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to explore some networking commands in Linux. For computer network and internet access, IP address is essential. To get the IP address, we can use the command ifconfig or ifconfig, and let's go through the result. Those are available after using the command ifconfig. Now here the IP address is available. Next, there are two addresses available. The first one is IPv4, next IPv6. Now with this, there is a network mask and broadcast address. Fine. Now in computer networking, we have two addresses. The first one is IP address, obviously IPv4 and IPv6. The next one is MAC address, and it's also known as Ethernet address. So this is the Ethernet address. The next command is ping. It's going to check the network connectivity to our host. Here I am using google.com to check the network connectivity. Now responses are coming from the Google server. So here, what are the contents? Those are available in the response. First, obviously the IP address of Google server. So you can verify the IP address if it's coming from Google or not. Let's copy the IP address. After that, open your browser. In the URL, paste the IP and hit enter. Now it's google.com. Options are available to modify the ping command, like the number of responses you want to receive. For that, you have to use the option C, and after that, the number of packets you want to receive. Next, the hostname. Here again, I am using google.com. Now after receiving 4 packets, the response stopped. The next command is netstat. It's going to show you the network statistics, and here it is. A netstat command gives you all the statistics about your network, including your active connections, open ports, and various other network statistics. The command nslookup will give you the DNS details. Now we have the DNS information about google.com. So right now I have the IPv4 address of google.com, at the same time the IPv6. The next command is ss. The ss command displays all the socket and port informations, and it's an alternative of netstat command. So you can use ss instead of netstat. The next command is traceroute. Now the traceroute command is not available right now, so we need to install the traceroute command. So let's do it. To install the traceroute command, let's use sudo apt install traceroute. Now let's execute traceroute command, and here we have the result. Now another command is available, and that's host, to find out the DNS information about any host. Let's use it. With this, let's wrap up today's Linux journey. If you have any doubt or query, use the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.